Is it really possible for us to get paid $29 every time we upload a document to a special website? Well, after 22 months of blood, sweat, and tears, we've accomplished exactly this. Introducing DocuProfits. We've discovered a little-known, hidden in plain sight website that's paying us $29 every time we upload a document. And the best part is, you don't need to write a single word. All we have to do is upload documents that are available on this special website, and we get paid $29 every time we do it. Yes, it really is that simple. And I know $29 may seem like a small amount of money, but it quickly snowballs into a large amount of online earnings. Let's do some math. If we upload 5 documents, we make $145. If we upload 10 documents, we make $290. If we upload 20 documents, we make $580. And if we upload 50 documents, that makes us a whopping $1,450. See how quickly that adds up? Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. All we have to do is upload documents that are on this special site. And we're paid $29 each time we do it. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your DocuProfits account. Hurry, do this now as we'll be closing our doors soon to any new users. Step 2. Download a series of documents that'll be given to you. And Step 3. Upload the documents you've just downloaded to the special site. This is the most important part, and it's what pays us $29 every time we upload a document. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it really is that darn simple. Sometimes good things in life are easy like that, and DocuProfits is definitely one of them. Now, one thing I cannot stress enough is that you don't need to write a single word in these documents yourself. After all, who wants to do that? Boring. Instead, the documents are given to you, so you won't have to write a word. Think of yourself as a delivery man, but instead of delivering boxes to houses, you're delivering documents online. That's what you're getting paid for. Now, at this point, you likely have an interest in DocuProfits, but you're likely wondering how much it's going to cost you. It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, here's the deal. After we were done developing DocuProfits, we thought of charging $297 monthly for access. And this would be a very fair price. After all, DocuProfits pays us $29 every time we upload documents, so it would quickly pay for itself. But we get it, $297 monthly is a lot to commit to. Perhaps you've been burned before, and I understand if you're skeptical with all the BS floating around. So I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Instead of charging you $297 per month, I'm going to offer DocuProfits at a low, one-time price that anyone can afford. This will ensure that everyone has a fair shot of making money online, and it's our way of giving back to the community. However, there is a catch. Indeed, there are some strings attached. If you want to qualify for this special discount, you cannot delay. You must act now. That's because we'll only be offering this discount to a limited number of customers. Once all the spots are taken up, the doors will be closed. And if you know us, we don't mess around with that fake scarcity bullcrap. When I say something, I mean it. So if you come back later, you could lose your spot. Why risk that when you could have acted right now? And speaking of risk, there is none. You're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. It's quite simple. If you aren't satisfied for any reason whatsoever, we will refund every penny of your money without hesitation. Because if we haven't delivered you value, we don't deserve your money. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose. The best thing for you to do for you and your wallet is to click the button below right now and get your hands on DocuProfits at the lowest price. This is a decision that will quickly pay for itself. So take the plunge, click the button below and secure access to DocuProfits. We'll see you on the inside.